After asking somebody the question about suicide, it can often leave you in distress and often knock out your own emotional wheel. So it is so important that you now do some self-care and taking care of your own mental health and well-being. Because they say it's like walking through water and not getting wet. The impact of the experience can have effect on your mental health. So we encourage you now to reflect on the Take 5, which are the 5 ways to well-being which promote your own mental health and well-being. The first thing we ask is to take notice. Just take notice about how you're feeling at the moment, your own thoughts and your feelings, and just begin by naming them, claiming them, and then beginning the journey of taming those emotions and feelings. So take notice of how you're feeling. Connect with others. Sometimes it's important that you talk to somebody about the experience, but also when you are talking to somebody about the experience, it is so important that you're respectful of the person that you've helped, and also ensuring that you maintain dignity for that person. So connect with people, talk to your support, talk to your supervisor, talk to your manager, just talk to a colleague or a friend about your feelings and your emotions. The other thing we ask is maybe to get active. We know the impact that physical activity has on mental health. So even just going for that walk, just taking time out, can also help in your journey of recovery. The other things we look to is to learn. Ask yourself what you've learned about the experience, what you've learned about yourself, learned about mental health. And maybe use this time to reflect if you need further training, maybe to go on mental health first aid training, Safe Talk or Assist, that will help you in the future should you have to ask the question again. And the final one is to give. And we encourage you to give yourself care and compassion and give yourself some empathy. And just acknowledge that you have done the best you can with your knowledge, your skills and your experience at that time. But it is important that you do take care of yourself.